conduct a research on artificial intelligence, and I asked you to do artificial general intelligence or AGI, artificial narrow intelligence, A and I, artificial super intelligence, yes, ASI. So somebody can tell me about this. Yes? No? You try to pull your your shirts up. Okay, someone can tell me, what is AI in general? What is AI in general?
A robot. It's like a robot. Oh, it's a computer program.
It's a computer, it's a robot.
It's a computer program.
It's a computer program. Anything else? No. You guys done excellence in your research, but you don't read it. You see? You don't understand much about your research. The reason why I asked you to do the research before you come in class, so it just make your life much more easier when I teach you. Well, but never mind. Mm-hmm.
Why is my diamond slim?
Pardon?
Why is my diamond so slim?
Why is your diamond so slim? No. I just somebody trying to move it. Number 3. Whose slice is number 3? By her, right? Reason why you get a tiny diamond because you haven't write the artificial super intelligence, the title. Do you see you forgotten? Yeah. You forgot.
Teacher. I don't know why I can't change my language.
You cannot change your language in which?
Yes. Because from Thai to English.
You talk about inside the Google slide?
Yes, I can't.
Oh, you need to do some configurations on that. It will take you some time. So you cannot just do it in. You have to configure it inside the slides itself.
No,
Let's move on to what is AI. So if you can see here, I give you movies. We have 3 movies in there. We have Terminators, Matrix, and iRobot. Which one have you watched already? Terminator. Anything? The Matrix. Can someone tell me what is the Matrix?
I didn't watch any of them.
You haven't. You don't like this kind of movie, did you?
No, I didn't. My dad likes these, but I don't.
Okay, somebody can tell me what is Terminators? What is the story about Terminators?
A robot.
A robot story. Trying to rule the world. This is trying to rule the world. Or what? Okay. iRobot. I can tell you the story about iRobot. iRobot is it's the world in another next centuries. And everything's on human body parts that lost out can be replaced by robots. Even if you have one arm removed, you can replace your arms with a robot, and it's even work well. That is, yes, you go watch these movies. iRobots.
I think I would like.
You watched that one already, and then yes.
I think I would like the iRobot, but I think I don't like the 2 others.
And then the iRobots, the key was, they said robot doesn't have the heart of thinking or conscious as human being, so they just go by the orders. But one of the robots is so special that was made up to learn the sense of humans. And then they feel lost, they feel sad, they feel happy, just like human being. And these robots try to go against another robot of becoming the rulers of the world. Okay, so let's talking about AI. In the future, AI will happen, or even now AI is happens already. What do we use now is AI, right? This device you have is AI. AI is so close to our daily routines. This is AI. What else around you is AI? Is this one AI? No. This is AI. Yes, telephone is AI. What else? Is my phone, is my watch an AI? Yes. My television is AI. You? It's what your watch. Your watch is another AI. There's a lot of pictures, there's a lot of movies comes out about AI. It's very necessary to learn about them because AI being developing over fortunes. Okay? So if you can see this one. What is artificial intelligence or what is AI? You got to write it down in your notebook because at the end of the time, you don't have pencil. You can have your if you don't want to write on the notebook, you can write in your iPad. Any slide, or you can write it inside Jamboard, or you want to write it inside a Google Doc.
Do you have a typewriter?
Are you typing very quick? You typing faster. If you're a fast typers, you put down AI. Oh. It's okay. You can type in. You shouldn't type in Jamboards. Hey. You can type in. Hi. Yeah, how can you type? How can you change? How can you change the English?
Do you have a sharpener?
This one? Yes. Yeah, this one you want. Okay. If you are fast typers, you don't need to write on the notebook. If you are good in writing in notebooks, then you write in notebook. Pencil. Who need assisting with pencil? In computers.
I can type code. Jamboard.
Here. Okay. But do you want to write on a Jamboard, darling? You write on a Jamboard, you go like this. Open. Here, right? And then you go to Jamboard.
Where do I write? I only see.
Okay. And you create a new one. Why so slow? 1 minute. Use Canaan 5G 1 minute. Canaan 5G. Can you write? Use this one 2 minutes. Try and see.
Yeah, I'm just gonna write it in.
Okay, is that easier? Good. Then you want to add more page. You add it from right here. You say you don't use Jamboard because you don't have pen. Okay, you use what was suitable for you will be Google Doc. Trust me. And you go to Google Docs. At what happening here? Oh, see. Connected. Fast, you see? They took down AI. All right. All right. Whosoever have, you're very good at writing in the papers. You write in the papers. You faster than that. You write in the computer. You fast. You do on the computers.
Teacher,
Whatever. Yes.
can I write in my notebook instead because?
Oh yes, of course. You can write on a notebook if you want. Okay. Whatever inside this slide, nothing to do with what I'm going to teach. All right? Nothing to do with what I'm going to teach. Now, I'm going to talk to you about what is AI. AI is a processing systems with deep understanding like human intelligence. What is intelligence? Hello, someone can tell me what is intelligence? What is intelligence?
Intelligent is the thing that is smart.
Correct. Excellent. The perceptions or the ability of your brain. Okay? Abilities of your brain. So artificial intelligence is the processing systems. So AI is a system.
Teacher, do you have an eraser?
Do you need an eraser? You just crossed it down. You just need to cross. Okay? What is AI? AI is a system. In short, a process, a working system that have a deep understanding like human intelligence. Okay? AI is a processing system have a deep understanding like human intelligence. Somebody said this morning, people asking, what am I teaching on the board? It's so fun. Classification of animals so easy. Have you heard of writing? Have you heard of classifications of animals?
What is the question?
Vertebrate, invertebrate.
Yes, I learned it with teacher Emmy.
When did you learn? Last year.
Yes.
Last year.
Yeah,
Last year. 3 years ago you did.
Me too, yeah, I learned online.
This one? Or this one? This one, right? Intelligent. Okay.
Oh.
So if you can see that sometimes AI can translate language.
Yes.
That's what we studied, we already use. What is it? What is the processing programs for translating language that we use every day?
Google Translate.
Excellent. Google Translate. Google Translate is another AI, darling. It's a processing system.
Siri?
Translate. Siri too. Google too. Google Translate. Siri. All of them.
GPS.
Did you? GPS?
GPS.
What is GPS?
Google Map. Google Map.
All right. Okay. Now, if you can see this one, it can translate. So in short, AI is a
Translation of
no. AI is a processing system, or you can say AI is a system. Is a system. AI is a system that have understanding just like humans. Okay, in short. So we can learn. Also, AI can learn. Now, how can AI learn? How do AI learn?
People change the program.
People insert the program in AI. Anything else? By the way, say people insert the program in AI. Anything else? AI learn by remember and think. Yes. Are you all right? Why you technically look like you? What do you mean? What do you mean? Tell me. What do you mean? Tell me. What do you mean? Oh, you want to pluck?
No, it's another was a snake.
Okay. What do you want me to do? You want to pluck on this and pull it up. Yes. Can? Or you want to tummy a bit?
No.
This is colder. That's hot. You feel cold? She wants something. You can lower the light like this a little bit.
I write in notebook and I write in computer.
Oh yes.
Wait.
Uh-oh, bless you. Okay. So AI learns from remember and think, not different from humans. And someone in AI, human insert the memories. Human insert the abilities inside the AI. If you can see this one, sometimes the child say parents over and over. A child say, "Ma, mama, 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 eat," or "yummy, yummy, yummy." 3 different times so the child learn how to speak. Okay? AI also learn the same thing. So when you're teaching an AI how to do something, you have to teach them repeatedly. For example, you ask AI to give you a cup of coffee. You will have to teach them how to do it maybe 100 times or 200 times before they're able to serve you a coffee. Yes. But if they learn how to do it, they will do it for you forever, non-stop. Because AI cannot die. No age.
But AI cannot don't have the memory.
If the AI doesn't have battery, then
You can go charge.
and then you charge it.
No, but you will die first.
You die first, so AI live on from one person to another.
So you be the grandfather and your child will
Still use the AI.
That one day go serve Coca-Cola.
Which one? Oh, that, yes. He wanna serve a Coca-Colas. All right, then. How AI learn? AI learn from remember and think. Okay? Let's move on. Let's classify AI. We have 3 types of AI.
Yeah. AGIA.
Which one? You don't finish with this? You don't need to write everything. You just need to Write everything in short. If you're not fast typer, you can write.
I'm a fast writer, but I'm not a
Still, you got to type at the end because you have a test for 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay? Right.
30
30-minute test, not difficult.
Okay.
If you listen, you will know. We have 3 types of AI. We classify AI into 3 types. Tell me. First one. Artificial narrow intelligence and AGI, artificial
and ASI.
and ASI. Very good. Super intelligent.
Oh, super. I don't finish.
You have classified AI into 3 classifications. The first one is artificial narrow intelligence. Second one is artificial general intelligence. The third one is super. Artificial intelligence.
And I know how to write it fast. I will copy from my slide. I will.
Let's us try to write artificial. If you don't see this one, how can you write artificial? How can you spell art?
A-R-T.
A-R-T. Art. T.
I.
V.
F-I.
Yeah. Special. Show.
Yeah.
C. I.
A-L.
A-L. You see? Artificial. How can you spell intelligent? So it's easy. Intel.
T-L.
Yes, T-E-L-L. I-N, gens. Gen. G-E-N, and then C-E, gens. Artificial intelligence. And then you can just add something in the middle here, which is narrow or general or super. You see? A and I, A-G-I, A-S-I. Super easy. Artificial intelligence. Later you say you're cold, you're hot and you're cold. You say you're cold. Really? I don't feel hot.
You feel hot over here.
Come sit here.
Everybody.
No, come sit here.
Okay.
You like it here? Come.
Yes, I am very cold.
You're very hot. Come sit.
Oh God. Now don't let me have a horrible references.
What? Yeah, what? Okay, let us see what's special about each of classification. Let's take a look.
Oh.
Artificial general intelligence. Artificial intelligence, that these guys and you is the same ability. Okay? This guy and you have the same ability. What you can do, they can do. What you can do, they can do too. You can take a shower, they can take a shower.
But maybe they die first because it's made of electricity.
They kind of, they do ability as humans. What human can? Can human cook? They can cook. They can serve. Okay? They can be a babysitter too.
Oh my God. Oh.
Okay? If you can see this coffee machine, this is another AI. The two are the AI. Look. Sure.
That's cute.
That's so cute. This one can work as humans.
If
Non-stop. No complaints. I'm tired. I want to sleep. I want to eat. This one have non-stop. They don't need to
Teacher,
eat. They
if
don't.
I have one of these, I'm gonna make them do them. If I have, I will make.
I think AI is very beneficial to the mankind, but humans, that's with an AI make them to be so lazy. Yes, super lazy. All right then. So what is AGI? Say it again.
General ability.
And what are they? They have the same ability with you. Okay? Artificial general intelligence. General have the same ability with you. Okay? Next one. Artificial narrow intelligence. This ability is better than humans. Like they can help in surgery. What is surgery? What is surgery?
You cut something, I don't know.
Surgery is when you go in a hospital and you want to, operate on the stomach, on the brain, or something like that. These people, these AI is very accurate in terms of that. Okay, so that helps. There you go. What? What you say? Come on. They're more smarter than human now, aren't they?
Teacher,
Hmm?
first I saw that the picture in the middle, I thought that was a aquarium.
These ones, they're just a helper of human being, actually. In the future, there might be an AI that can do the total operations on a human. And have better abilities, because human cannot see through the bones, but AI can, like X-ray machine.
You can only see the bones if you cut it.
Yes. Can humans see an opaque surface? No. Women can only have ability to see something transparent. But
Translucent.
yes, but AI in these terms can see through the opaque. Opaque. And then because they have superpower, right? Better abilities than human. Okay, write it down. Did you write it down?
No. Yes.
Come on, write it down. What is it? Artificial narrow intelligence is to get something better than human. Better than human. What is general? What is general? Fighter, what's general? You say you write it down. What's general? Same ability. And narrow is better abilities. Narrow is better abilities. Okay, next one. Artificial super intelligence. Super intelligent, you already tell. What is super intelligence? Super intelligent is Superman. Super ability in many areas of humans. Way better than human being. For example, like Apple iPhone series. That you know that it can tell you lots of things. Its processing systems can generate a lot of information at one time.
Wow.
Hey Siri, Hey Siri. He said good afternoon.
Go.
Hey. Hello Siri. Go ahead, he said.
Interesting question.
No, it's not interesting. That's a normal question.
Hey Siri.
Siri.
I'm listening.
I'm listening.
Can you tell me my location at the
You're in Muang Suratani Suratani.
What do you want to ask Siri?
How old are you?
Siri, how old are you? Hey Siri. How old are you?
Well, I came into existence gradually, but my first day as an assistant was the 4th of October 2011.
Okay, he's 9 years old.
He's 9 years old.
10. That's okay.
Is it?
Does he have a best friend?
Hey Siri.
I'm listening.
Do you have any best friends?
I like to think of myself as everyone's friend.
Beautiful world, isn't it? Anyone else? Hey Siri.
Yeah.
Can you tell me a little bit about Donald Trump?
I found this on the web.
How tall is Donald Trump? Hey Siri, how tall is Donald Trump?
Which Donald Trumps? Click the one you want.
Hey Siri, how far from Mars to Earth?
The answer I found is about 205,904,331 kilometers.
Yeah, it's a light years away. So thank you very much. The only thing that you want to ask Siri, you got to say hey.
Hey, yo.
Yeah. Okay. So Apple iPhone Siri is one of the AIs. I can call him up anytime. Hey Siri. How old am I?
I don't know her age.
You should want to ask something.
Says my brother is boy. See, that's one. I have a brother's boy.
Tisha,
Hmm?
I want you to ask Siri, what do you want to eat?
Hey Siri. What do you want to eat?
I don't eat or drink, but I do like digesting information.
Oh. He doesn't eat or
What
drink.
is your favorite place to go?
What is what?
What is your favorite place to go?
Hey Siri. What is your favorite place to go?
I'm happy to go with your opinion on this one.
Okay.
Actually, to call my mom.
Hey Siri. Can you call Pino?
Which one?
Non Freud.
Okay, I won't do it.
Leave it. Why do you want me to call her? Will she pick up the phone? Bye bye! That's what she was saying. Okay.
Hey Siri, how far is Earth to the Earth clouds?
Earth crown? What are the Earth crown? You want to know, you know one thing. Hey Siri. Are there any black holes?
Yes.
Here's what I found.
He doesn't tell me anything he says I should read. He's very lazy.
Hey Siri, something new. Teacher, can Siri sing a song?
Can it? Okay. Hey Siri.
For us,
Certainly. Absolutely. Ahem. Okay, here I go. Ahem. Hang on, let me just clear my... Gosh, singing is harder than I thought.
So he cannot sing actually. He cannot sing. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. All right, then let us move on. Stop Siri for a while. Okay.
It's higher now.
Now we use AI in our daily life. First of all, our daily life we use in email communication. We use in social media. We use in web searching and stores and services. Which one do you use the most?
Social media.
Which one do you use the most?
Social media.
Social media.
Why is it so hard?
I don't know, switch it up. Let's switch it up. Switch it up.
Yes.
I don't know what unlocks. Okay?
No.
So which one do you use the most?
Social media.
Social media.
But I think it's
Which one of application do you use?
YouTube.
YouTube. Is that social media?
Yeah.
That's not social media. Line, excellent. Yes?
Twitter.
Twitter, correct. Instagram, correct.
Gmail.
Gmail.
Facebook.
Google. Google is web searching.
Facebook.
Facebook, correct.
TikTok.
TikTok.
No.
Anything else?
Pinterest.
Pinterest is web searching.
I don't know.
What is web searching? Come on.
Google.
Google.
Pinterest.
Pinterest. Microsoft Edge. Safari. Lovely. Anything else?
Pinterest.
Pinterest, we just said. Be quiet.
YouTube. Yahoo. Chrome is
Chrome is Google's. Okay, Chrome. Anything? Yahoo. Hotmail. Lazada is stores and services. Okay, come. Store and services. Shopping. Lazada. Shopit. What's that? Shopee, Lazada, and Food Panda. Excellent. Grab. Correct. A lot on there. You have a lot on there. Okay. Did you write it down? Right. Can you give me some example of email communication?
Gmail.
Okay. Maybe 2 example at the back. 2 example of the back like this. Okay. When you finish, raise your hands. I will walk there. Email communication just shows 2 companies. Gmail and gmail.com and Gmail and Hotmail. iCloud too. iCloud is one of the email source. You do? Okay. Can I see please? No. One of these. Yeah, this one. Give 2 example of each of these categories. And these bullet points. What are they? You can put underneath. Okay. Hotmail should be compound. Should be compound.
What is social media? Is this?
Social media? What is social media? Darling, someone can tell IU what is social media?
Facebook.
Facebook communications that can help you to connect to others. Line, Twitters,
Instagram.
yes,
Gmail.
yes.
What is?
No, social media. Social media is not Gmail, that's email communication. Gmail is email communication.
What is Hotmail? Teacher, can I put
Yes, Hotmail too. What is that? It's the aliens things. We study aliens last another class.
Area 52.
Area 51. I'm teaching about Area 51. You know what Area 51?
Yes. No.
What is it?
Alien is in the alien. You taught me.
Oh yes, I taught you already.
Alien base.
An alien base. It's some things to know about a Roswell. Roswell event where the UFO spaceship crashed.
And
into
it's
Hiroshima.
into a tree. Social media.
Okay, come on. Write it down, write the bullet points, and give me 2 examples of each.
Two examples.
2 examples of each.
Why don't I put it one?
Because I want to. 2, please.
Web searching.
Web searching.
Facebook. Very lucky I see this marker at
On the table. You want some markers? I have more.
under the table. Oh God, you have lots of markers. Make up.
All right then.
Oh,
Come on. You finish and show your hands with 2 examples, please.
teacher, web searching can be Google and I don't know the other one. Safari. I finished Safari. I don't finish
Can I see that?
F-O-R-P. This is Safari.
Oh yes.
Yeah, I don't know it.
Yes.
What is this?
Email
F-A-F-A-R-I.
communication, social media, TikTok, and pages,
Yes.
Google, Yahoo, Sources, Lazada, Twitter. Perfect.
Yes. Forget something.
What do you forget?
Period.
Previous.
No. Full stop.
Oh. Period.
Searching. Ow! Oh, right.
Google. I wish that there will be rains coming today. It won't. It's hot. Yeah.
No, don't have rain.
No rain.
It is very I don't like to have rain.
Why?
Teacher, your hot computer will not good.
Computers or internet?
Teacher,
Internet.
what is A, C or B?
Well, I teach about classifications of animals. I wrote it down and I forgot to clean it, and it just sits there forever now, permanently.
Oh.
Okay,
Spider and
baby, you finished. Food Panda, Grab, correct.
you can use
Google, Safari, Line, what?
This is and look. Hot. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
You want to be a surgeon doctor when you grow up?
Yes. I'm
That's
finished.
Very good, baby. Very good.
Why is fun?
All right. Now let's see product recommendation. Those are the product recommendations for AI. You usually need to write this down. This is Amazon. Amazon. No, you don't need to write it. This is Amazon. Okay, product recommendation. Mobile banking is another sort that people use AI. You don't if you want. Okay, mobile banking is one of the sources that we can use mobile banking to transfer money from one account to another. You know, 10 years ago, we need to go to the bank and withdraw from the bank to get money before we transfer. But at the moment, you don't need to now. You use applications to transfer the money. Okay,
I want to go to teacher stage.
next,
I'm not finished. I'm not finished too.
you want to write it down,
Yeah.
conclude it, write it.
Do you need to write it?
If you want, yes.
But
There's
can we
only some
not write it?
parts. Let's not take a look at advantages.
Can
Yes,
we not write it?
yes, you
Yes.
can. Let's say advantages and disadvantages. This is very important. Advantages and disadvantages of AI. What is advantage? Good things. Disadvantages is bad things. Okay? So let's take a look at this advantage of AI. AI can be very powerful and useful.
And I don't write it this one.
You
No.
should write.
Okay.
You should write. Computers can be very more powerful and useful. That's its
I have
advantages.
like a notebook now.
Computers, AI, or computers and other sorts can solve new problems that humans can't. Can solve new problems that humans can't. I want you to give example of some things that AI can solve that human can't. What's happening? Oh, yeah. Good idea.
Math. Teacher, math.
Mathematics. AI can solve mathematics problems. Okay?
Okay.
AI can solve, what else AI can solve? Can find new direction like Google Earth, Google Map,
Google Translate.
Google Translate as a new problem.
Google.
The computer can be more powerful and useful. Useful in what sense? Useful in what sense? Next one.
I'm not finished. Oh.
And it's better handling of information. What the mean of handling information? It can keep information. If you can see in Google Slides, you see in Google Slides, we do have a lot of memory saved in Google Slides. There's a lot of slides now that I share to your account.
Yeah.
And those are kept. Those are kept by AI, which is AI can better handling of information. For example, like what? Google Drive.
I use 4 pages.
It's like Google Drive.
Google
Google Drive, iCloud, Jamboard, Slide, Google Docs,
Google.
Notes,
Google.
iCloud, Microsoft. Those are informations that AI could be handling.
Microsoft Word. Google Sheet. Google Classroom. Google Classroom.
Google Classroom, excellent.
Oh. Better.
It can release information overload. This one, handling of information, it can release information overload. Overload means something's too much. You go to school and you study, I say, oh my God, my head's going to explode.
Yes.
Why?
Yes.
Because you study too much. Your capability of your brains are very narrow. But AI doesn't have those problems. They are very capable. AI are very capable.
This is the best thing.
And then AI can convert means change. Change all the information into the knowledge and save on the website. Okay, write it down. Come on, write this down. This is very important point. Right there, you're all right. Do you want to type on the computers?
I look to time. K. E.
No.
Yay. No. Advantage. Five. Okay.
Did you walk on the riverside already? The markets at the riverside. You haven't?
You need to.
Has anybody went to the riverside?
Go to already,
You did? What are they? What are they doing?
but I go but one day they open.
Oh really? What are they?
Food.
I think clean food and clean side.
Really? Clean food? Clean food?
Then have dirty food.
Really?
But I think have the dirty food too.
But those are clean food. What are the clean food? What did you eat?
I don't know, I go to water.
Come on, did you finish?
I wanna do. Huh? You wanna homework? Yes.
You don't need a homework.
Yay!
Because after this you're gonna test. In
No!
the same clock, in just the
But
same
this one
hour.
I buy with my team.
Take what teacher?
Please.
Just this.
This.
Teacher,
Mm-hmm.
can we take next week?
No.
Please,
No.
please.
You cannot test them. You take next week, you will fail. You
Why?
can take this week, you will not fail.
Why?
Please. Why?
Okay.
Go back to ready up.
Disadvantages of AI. Very expensive. Very costly. Very costly. Very expensive. Very costly. Costly. No L, no L. Only Y. Very costly. The software is very difficult to develop. Or sometimes it's quite slow to develop. Because it's developed through humans. We develop the software. What's happening? We develop the software.
Costly, right? Not costly, right?
Yeah, costly, not costly. Or you can put down expensive instead.
Don't worry, teacher.
And we don't have so many programmers. No, we don't have. We don't learn about it. It's a new thing. Do you want to learn about computer?
Yes.
Who want to learn about computers? Maybe you do. 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to be a doctor.
Yeah, I want to be a doctor.
You want to be a programmer.
I want to be a doctor. Teacher, I want to be
You
a
do?
doctor and an architect at the same time. I want
How
to be
can
a
you?
YouTuber. Yes, I want to be a programmer. I want to be a doctor and an architect at the same time.
I think it could be.
I want to be a programmer, a YouTuber, a gamer.
Gamer, YouTubers too.
Yeah, gamer and YouTuber. I like a YouTuber, gamer.
Why do you want to be a gamer?
Because I like to play games.
What kind of games do you like to play? And you just
Roblox.
Roblox.
And Among Us.
Another games come out again. What about you being a game writer?
I like shooting game. I like shooting game like Free Fire. I don't like Free Fire. I like PUBG. Sometimes it have I also like PUBG. But what? That time.
Next week, I'll teach some things very interesting.
What is you want to be next week? You teach.
I teach for you to do animation.
No.
I can do that.
Yes.
I teach animation on the computers, but I give you a story for you to create animation in the computer.
Yay!
Is that what you want?
Yes.
Is that what you want? Okay. And those animations can move.
Yay!
Like the cartoons. We use one of the program on the computer.
Scratch, yes.
Okay.
I don't finish yet. Scratch, fish, squash. What's wrong with you?
Just go. I got it. We don't have too much of the AI in the market. Very few product in the market at the moment.
Market.
In a market where you can find. Can you just look for an AI that can fix your liver in top supermarket?
No.
No. Can you find AI that can fix your eyes in macro? No. No. That's why it's very few product in the market and it's expensive.
Teacher, what test is you can in this?
No. I don't test in this. You
I look the what.
I bring
What the
number
word?
one, what is AI? AI is a computer program. AI is a robot.
Oh no.
No, AI is
Program. Computer program that we can understand
Listen. I will share to you. You shouldn't show it to your friend. Okay? When you conduct a test, do not show it to your friend. You have 30 minutes, your 1 hour to answer your work. Are you ready?
Can you look in the slide?
Of course. You can look in your notes only. You can look in your note only. As I told you, you have to take note so you can do the test. Okay? Ten. Are you ready? No. We're not testing quizzes. Quizzes though. You also have testing quizzes. But this is different. Mode X, Ultraman, refresh your work. Yes. Okay, ปกป้อง Are you? Refresh. Write as much as you can. Refresh. Go back to the main menu. The name of the file is supposed to be worksheet of an artificial intelligence. And no complaint. No complaint. Do it now.
Oh.
You have 11 slides at the moment.
Yes. 12. I have 12.
Yes. Yes, darling.
We can use your phone as
Yes, of course, darling. You can do anything. The main thing is you should get everything right when you answer. Okay? You can use Google Translate. You can use any other translation. No, you cannot use your friend note. Should not share your note to your friends, okay? Let them see it like that. Do not let them see your note.
You made me so hard to write.
What's going on?
Look. Teacher, if I go like this, my teacher can see my answers. It's so hard to write.
Yes, Ken. Wherever you how do you want to sit, it's up to you.
No one see me and I don't see anyone.
Do not kick the table.
Yeah, do not kick the table.
Yes, do not kick the table. Where is the sweet?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Take some.
No, I don't. I want. I don't want.
Take two, yes. Take two.
Take two.
No.
Oh.
You train her cookies.
No. The people came with a trainer and give to one. Okay.
Where is it in the margin?
Yeah.
Mm.
This is 120.
Oh my God!
But the nurse said I can eat 1 time cake
Thank you, Jen.
of 1 time.
No milk, no butters, unbleached sugar, whole flour, whole wheat flour, golden flaxseed, chia seed, 100% organic.
No butter, no milk, no sugar.
No butter, no milk, no sugar. No.
I like brownie.
It's not brownie actually.
Yeah, they call it brownie.
Mm.
Can I drink the before and end this?
Yes, brownie. You want a paper and pen? Pencil?
Yahoo!
What's wrong with you?
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yes, darling.
How did I get this up? Oh, okay. I got it. It's very slow. Teacher, what are you doing?
What is very slow?
Teacher, what are you doing?
What am I doing?
Yeah.
Hey, you don't have much time, so I swear.
Teacher, why do you need to pull up that? Yeah. Yeah.
I'll put it up then.
Why do you need to? Okay,
I saved this, so once you have problem.
I don't want to be the secretary. What are you doing? Oh, good English. Nice try, bro. You can only see my body, you cannot see my face. Ooh la la.
By the way, you went for training, right? What's your purpose of training? What's your purpose? Purpose. Open. Purpose. What is purpose? What is your purpose?
To take down my
Teacher, can I mix the picture with some water? Because
Yeah. You want to reduce the size of the picture?
Yeah.
Yes.
lose my weight.
You want to lose your weight. You want to lose your belly fat. Belly fat. Belly. Belly.
Teacher, can I move the picture somewhere else?
Yes, you can delete it if you want. Isn't it?
I don't want to leave.
I go for training every day myself. I run on the stretchers for 1 hour every day.
Take my weight fat out and had
Have a muscle.
yes.
You want to take off, you should use reduce. REDUCE. Write it down. REDUCE. Reduce. DUCE. Reduce.
Yes.
Reduce. 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 Yeah, reduce. That's the verb. Who finished, let me know, okay? Who finished already?
Oh no.
No. Not easy, hey? Good morning, I'm working. I can. Maybe another 4 hours I call you back. I'm in class at the moment. Then.
Or so you just hear the people. Oh hi, good morning.
Hey.
When I dancing, my head go to. And then
I put some music on for you, you know?
no, please no way, I don't have any. Yes, no, it's distracting.
Come on. You don't have much time. You gotta focus now.
How many minutes left? Oh God.
Mm-hmm.
What do you put up this song?
I just like the beat.
I like food. Then at first I don't know the song, when it came to learn the skills, I can always sing it up.
Yeah? Write it in full sentences, darling. You. Maybe somebody think, where is Pokpong? He is right here, okay? He's just sitting down here, doesn't want people to see him. He's disguising himself. Hello! 15 minutes past.
Oh.
You have 1 hour to do this test. You want some more? The one that you don't know. Yes.
Everything is there. This is not a classroom. Maybe this is a classroom.
You should bring it right here to you. They can see you. you did it. Okay, we done. Where are you now, son?
Oh yeah.
Number 6. Okay. You have 45 more minutes to do your work.
Oh.
11 though. Should be 10. Because we not conclude the one on top and one on the bottom. Should be 10 slides, 10 questions. Who can dance this music? Can you dance? Can you show me how to dance this music? Not AI. Her name is IU. AI.
AI.
Copy from your notes only, not from other ones. Any other person notes. Good. Me? I'm a very funny dancer. I can dance funny. I dance funny styles. Not serious styles. Chico all the time. He didn't come 2 weeks ago. He wore what? Pink t-shirt.
He wore the same pattern belt, but he changed his shirt, right? Yes.
Why are you so picky? Why are you so noticeable? You just remember people's clothes. Do you remember my clothes last week?
You were eating banana things?
I'm talking about my clothes, not about the clothes.
I don't remember that.
What my clothes
I will see in your.
Yeah, what clothes you wore last week?
I will search in your.
I know.
What
my clothes last week?
I don't know, but you.
Oh, you want to search on YouTube?
What you should get on YouTube? This is my mom went to see the YouTube thing, and when I was I used to like lie something.
She laughed.
Yes, she laughed.
Did you watch it over again when you go home?
Yes, I wanted to watch it.
Good friend. Okay, I will see your shirt.
I was wearing a sailor shirt.
Oh, you are wearing a white. I forgot to write in the notebook.
You didn't write in your notebook.
And you.
So that's why you cannot answer. It's okay. Write whatever you can write. 2 examples of AI advantages.
Okay.
If you don't write it down, you have to remember.
Give 2 examples of.
2 examples of AI advantages. Ultimate is in slide number 8.
Yeah, I am also in like number 8. Number.
Teacher, what is
Yes, give enough information so you get a score. Because you get this score, you know all your work that you study. At the end of this, on the end of this semester, I have to print everything out and give it to your parents.
Oh. Yay! 100.
They will go through all your answers.
Yes.
嗯
100, right? 100 thing, I think.
嗯
Oh, teacher.
Yes.
Oh my God. Teacher.
Yes. Yes.
You know the song?
I know, Andrea. I love listening to music.
Where is Thai?
I listen to all music.
Every music in the world. What are you talking about? What music?
All music. I found music very beautiful, so I listen to all music. I know most of them.
Oh,
I can speak. I can sing Chinese songs too and speak Chinese. Yeah, you know.
No. Okay. Okay. Orange. Yes, orange. You said this is
What?
orange.
Jumanji. What is Jumanji?
It's a movie.
It's a movie, darling. Jumanji is not one of the AI. No, hold on.
But Jumanji.
Jumanji is an AI.
Yes. They go in the. Yeah, they go in the game. Yeah. But have AI in the movie too.
What are they?
They are playing game, but may I go to the toilet. I don't know what's up, and they go into
The games.
May I go to the toilet?
Yes, darling. Go.
Yeah, I want to go in the game. They are.
It would be fun. Trust me when you go in the game.
Yes, because I want to go into coffee. I want to go in. Yes. I haven't eaten lunch yet. The restaurant game.
A restaurant games.
Yes. Teacher, a game that pick something if we actually pick.
You know the international school that we go. That international we I have in Got somewhere. We have cooking club.
Yeah, teacher, you like the school.
Isn't it?
Yeah. Cooking club. Cooking club or not school they have.
What they call?
Music club, science club, math club, English club, art club,
Computing.
Football club.
Football club. Yeah, same thing that we have. Ice cream. You're not finished nothing. Come on, 30 more minutes. Master, answer your. I asked you, call you master.
It's the.
Come on.
It's the
Number 9 now. You already finished with 7, 8.
Teacher, come here, please.
Very good. That's the way you're supposed to do. Okay? What is AI used in daily life? Many things. 4 things. Four topics with example. 4 topics with examples. Yes.
So good, yeah, so sweet. Maybe you deserve a treat. And ice cream. Lie on the porch. Yeah. Maya.
I saw that one. I saw ice cream.
Maya got in they lie on the floor. Teacher, that time when they kick their butt. Teacher, that time when they to Christmas. Yes, almost Christmas and they need to practice that. I go see too and I need to go practice to sing a song.
Okay.
And I see they dancing and I
You laugh.
and I see the
The dance is ice
they lay
cream.
down and I see underpants. Yes, and I see underwear.
Daddy, you shouldn't remember these kind of things. Okay, come on.
No foul. He likes his pants falling off. Yeah, that is you.
Okay, we recording.
It's into YouTube.
Yes.
No! Please stop, don't post.
Okay then.
I'm not finished into knowledge.
I give you 15 more minutes
No.
to finish with your slides, and then we gotta prove it.
No, please no. No.
What do you use only one fingers to type?
You just showed the whole Bible just skills.
I don't care. I find very fun. Or you can click. You can reduce the size of your. Maybe you can reduce the size of your keyboards like that too.
Oh, Can I write three advantages?
You can say you want to write 3 advantages. Lovely, if you can. Disadvantages you can add into 3 disadvantages or 3 advantages.
You will make more points.
Yes,
Yes.
of course. I give you more points.
I will go.
Bible is very quiet at the moment.
No. People must do like this. You just send that to YouTube. Oh no. My friend really.
Why? Why did you do so?
And really to.
Why did they do so?
I don't know. Teacher, I said it already.
Lovely, very good. You said it already?
I'm not finished. I'll see the face.
You say you finished, you sent it already.
Hi, since when did you put on lipstick?
I have very beautiful lips.
Yeah, you just use a filter.
Yes, I do.
Yes, your lips are very beautiful.
Come on, quickly.
I finish now, but I want to make more tacos.
Are you in question 7?
Yeah.
By the done.
I done too.
ปกป้อง hypothetical abilities of intelligent understand and learn any insulet task.
Teacher, what filter you use?
What filter I use?
Studio Beta.
Yes, Studio Beta. You have it in your computer.
Yes. Yeah, oh, it's recording. Teacher.
ตึ๊ดตึ๊ดตึ๊ดตึ๊ดตึ๊ดตึ๊ดตึ๊ดตึ๊ดตึ๊ดตึ๊ดตึ๊ดตึ๊ดตึ๊ดตึ๊ดตึ๊ดตึ๊ดตึ๊ดตึ๊ดตึ๊ดตึ๊ดตึ๊ดตึ๊ดตึ๊ดตึ๊ด Hello, darling. Well, today we were studying about AI in artificial intelligence. Now we're waiting for our students to finish.
Okay, come on.
Hit quickly. Okay, come on. Another 10 minutes. I'm going to check your work.
Yes.
Teacher, I think it can like thank you.
No.
Do whatever you want to do on the computer. You have 10 more minutes. Others?
Teacher. I have a question.
Yes. Darling.
What does this mean?
Advantages of AI, for example. Give only 2 examples of advantages of AI. Good things about AI advantages.
Okay.
Did you write it down at your notes?
Finish. I'm not finished.
Maybe you got
2
2.
out of 10. Oh.
Why do you think you get 2?
Because it's very hard. Teacher, it have an answer over there.
You sure that is correct? Do you sure that is correct? It might not.
I don't know.
It might not be.
The Nayo River.
This one is ปกป้อง
The Nayo River then located in what is that? Yes, it is.
Which one,
It
darling?
is the longest.
Oh, the Nile is the river that located in Egypt. It's the longest river.
Second, Amazon is more.
No, it's the longest river in Africa.
Yes.
Yeah.
The longest in Thailand is Chao Phraya.
No.
Hong.
Yes. Khong River. เจ้าพระยา River is just for the city.
It's the loudest. Of course.
7 minutes to time.
Oh,
7 minutes.
I'm finished.
Can you sit back to your seat, darling?
But I don't want to be.
You already seen from the beginning.
Yeah, everybody's seen you.
That people already seen you. You go back to the same seat. You done? Yes. Sit down. Back to your seat.
It's only me.
Only you. What about you? You're not done yet. Which slide are you? What
I'm
question?
not done yet.
Which
7,
questions?
6. We have many desktop.
Me?
Yes. Oh. Oh, AI. Hi, Mr. AI. Hi, Mr. Artificial Intelligence.
Oh,
This one is AI, right?
why I cannot see?
Asking. Asking.
Okay, 5 more minutes to time. 5 more minutes.
Okay. This is to mix it with Oh.
4 minutes. Yep.
Yeah, it is
Yes. Do you have questions?
Yes.
Give an example about artificial narrow intelligence. Example. Example. Yeah, only one example. An example.
That one is AI. This is can it be traffic?
What is artificial narrow intelligence? What is it? And then you have to find one example to put it on. Three minutes.
Wait. That one is the
to say with this one?
That one. Number one. AI, that one. This one.
Yes?
I think you can. I think I'm going to be teaching about it. Oh, about the okay. I don't want you to ask it. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. That's big time.
Everybody finish now. Okay, I will let you swap your work with your friend. I will swap from here. Hold on. Oh, you don't need to swap. Doesn't matter. Let's take a look.
I want to walk back again.
Who speak Thai? Pokpong, you speak Thai?
I don't speak Thai yet.
What is AI? AI is a processing system. Okay, what is AI? AI is a processing system with a deep understanding like human intelligence. Pardon? What did you say? Correct. Okay, next one. How do AI learn? By third. How do AI learn? Excellent, darling. Learn by, remember, and think. Very good. Next one, number 3. How many types of AI and what are they? How many types do you have? 3 types.
2 types and have number one AI, number 2 AGI,
Yes. Excellent. General, narrow, and super. Right? Correct. This is 3 types. That's wrong. That should be wrong. Give an example about artificial narrow intelligence. Yes. No, example. Not tell what it is. Can you spell out? Intel premium space.
Okay, you are all correct.
Intel in surgery. Narrow intelligence, correct. Who help in surgery? Correct. Yes. You say example, help in surgery. You don't give any example. What about you?
No, this is wrong. This is the wrong.
Translate of language. Yes. Per se. Okay.
I'm all wrong.
Correct. We have help doctor in surgery. Is anyone? Hello. Anyone answer nearly the same thing? We have X-ray and others. What is artificial general intelligence?
He has a he typical ability of an intelligent understand or learn and listen. He has to
What does that mean?
It's the same level with the. I don't understand what
You don't understand what you put down. That's one thing. What is artificial intelligence? Is it have the same ability with human? Okay, same abilities with human. Next one. Which type of AI has special ability better than human?
The type of artificial should he has an artificial.
Artificial.
Artificial narrow intelligence.
Yes, and
AI.
we have two really.
AI.
ANI and ASI.
Oh, I like AI.
You write only ANI, which means you write ASI, it's not all. ANI and ASI is better than human.
I was too old.
Narrow. What is the use of AI in daily life?
Email. The AI in daily life. We only answered one of them, but not all. Teacher, he didn't get the examples.
You don't get example too. Somebody give example too? Someone? You do? Raise your hand. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me ask my girl first. Give me one. The first example.
Web searching.
Web searching. How can we find those? Google and only Google that you put down?
Google and
Pinterest.
I don't.
Okay. Modex, tell me. Bring yourself on the other side.
Email communication.
Email communication, Gmail and Hotmail. Very good. Okay, are you?
Services, food and web, web searching, Google Safari, social media, run Instagram, email communication, Gmail.
Good. For fun, what did you put down?
You put down email communication, social media, web searching, store and food.
All right, then you need to give example, but it's okay. Next one. What give 2 example of AI advantages? Who want to teach me this?
I give you 5.
Okay, good. Tell me one of that.
It can solve your problem.
Excellent, thank you. Anyone by time? Can answer this question, please?
I got
Can work with people. Okay. Okay. Anyone else? Hello. Anyone else? Bokong.
I got 3. One of it is converse information into knowledge.
Convert information into knowledge. Very good. What about you? You didn't write it down. Okay, you?
The computer. I only read 2.
You already write 2. What
The
did you
computers
write?
can be more powerful and useful.
Yes.
It can solve
You
your
wrote?
problems.
What did you write? Yes, very good. Next one. Give 2 easy, useful, new problem, better handling information, and can release information overload. Now, next one, give 2 example of AI disadvantages. You.
AI is very costly and then it's only productive.
Excellent. You.
The software is difficult to develop or sometimes slow.
Excellent. Anyone else? My third. You didn't answer this question. What did you say?
It can sharpen
It can short. It can damage.
Yes.
When getting water, some of them. I could say that too. Okay. And ปกป้อง Answer this number 9. What is it?
AI is very costly, some very difficult, or sometimes long.
Okay. What about you?
The software is difficult to
Develop. Okay. Costly, slow, lack of experienced programmers, and few products in the market. Give me the full name of AI.
Artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence. Can someone write it down?
Yes. Yes. Me. No, don't write down.
Okay, good. Very good. A lot of participants. Okay, someone come out first. Okay, ปกป้อง There. Write down the words artificial general intelligence.
What? Me. You can raise your hand and be quiet.
General intelligent. I'm not going to check until hey. You should keep quiet. You see? You told him. Okay, you go.
Teacher.
Artificial narrow intelligence.
Teacher. What
did you write down? Artificial narrow intelligence. Okay. And you go for artificial super intelligence. You should not me.
Oh, no, you do artificial intelligence.
Narrow intelligence. Quickly.
Yes.
Okay, Ultraman, artificial super intelligence. Artificial super intelligence.
Oh, you cut the double copy. I can do the robot man, teacher.
Right there, go there. Go stand. I ask you. Come on.
Oh, it needs to do like this.
Quickly.
Yes.
Okay, give it to her. Circle the topic that have the same ability with human.
Like that.
Circle the topic that have the same ability with human. Everybody quiet, okay? Circle the topic that have the same abilities with humans.
Correct.
Hooray! Very good. Good. Okay.
I want to
You
try.
go. Give me one example of artificial intelligence. Artificial general intelligence. Right underneath.
Okay.
Give me one example of artificial general intelligence. Excellent, very good. Get back in your seat, pack your things, darling. Finally, we go home. please put your chair up to the table. Stand behind the chair.
Wait on the table. Take your camera. Let's get
We don't have anything for homework today. But we do have Tuesday. On Tuesday. We have Tuesday. Okay. Handy. He's not finished yet. Come on, quickly then. You need me help? You need my help? What are you looking for? Like, are you going for printing or you studying?
study revision one. Study revision one.
Oh, thank you. You look like idea.
Oh, what is idea?
The sister.
Hey!
Hand on the table. Hand the table. 3, 2, 1.
Thank you, teacher.
See you next week.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay.